Hi YouTube viewers, so I'm now recording from a proper camcorder. Woohoo! So I will now be using this camcorder for future convention vlogs. I do apologise, I haven't put up one for this year's Utopia. It's just getting round to it. Things with mental health and stuff, it's just nah. But I'll try and do that as soon as I can. So next month is a one-day event for a Sarah Jane Adventures reunion. It's called The Attic, being held in Cardiff. It's a good price. Tickets are not bad. £30 for a standard ticket, or £150 for the VIP. That includes a meet and greet with meeting the guests with a drink. You get free group photo, 2 free autographs. What else? A DVD of the event when it's been made, of course. There was something else. A book labeling like behind the scenes of the program and stuff. So I'm so excited about that, man. I just hope I don't cry. Because not only if it's been 10 years since Sarah Jane, but also it's to remember Liz Sladen, God rest her soul. So I shall be recording at that event, and yeah, there's not really much else going on, except I'll try and get the Utopia video up as soon as I can. And if you have any ideas of what videos you want me to do, then please put them in the comment section below, yeah, and I'll see what I can do. But until then, happy shenanigans.